Really, Seestar S30 is the series. It's amazing what ZWO has done. Astrophotography come into the hand. Anyone can now do the astrophotography with Seestar S30. The series S30 is fantastic, fantabulous. It gives you the detailed of framing photographies. When it starts capturing the photos, it gives frame by frame inputs into your mobile or iPad or any smart devices, and after getting processed, the output of the image of deep sky objects are really fantabulous. So today I will just go with Seestar S30 unboxing, and I will show you what we can see, what we can do with that smart device. So it's a tiny device, you can take it to anywhere, any place to do the astrophotography. Now astrophotography is without DSLRs. Really, it's a wonderful device, anyone can do it. I'm just going through the deep into the sky with Seestar S30. The series, I always suggest everyone to come out and grab this device. This is Suman from Skywatching workshop. Come, have a look and go with the device. It's a small device you can carry anywhere else, and you will get the depth of the sky. The images are really fantabulous, and you can learn so many things from this device. Okay, so I'm just going with the unboxing and the full video of Seestar S30 from ZWO. Thanks. Bye.